You see these three persons you are seeing on the screen. I want you to go and fact check me. These three people were vigilante groups in Kwara State. But these three persons, they were killed. And I'm going to tell you an ugly story how these people were killed. Yesterday, in the 30th day of June, the bandits, they are Mahmuda terrorists, but they call them the bandits. They now send a message challenging the whole security operative, telling them that if they have minded, they should come and fight them. Soldiers did not go, DSS did not go. These vigilantes have to mobilize, and they ask the military and the DSS, follow us, let us go and chase these people out of our community. So they went. The vigilantes are at the forefront. When they got there, they said the bandits, that is the Mahmuda terrorists, did now overpower them. They said the soldiers and the DSS ran away, and the vigilantes were left alone, and they killed them. So they said so many soldiers and DSS were injured as well. And the name of these three persons, the first one there is Mohammed Ma Dosuru from Kokodo village, Yanda doctor from Ndafiage, and Ndage Saraka from Edogi village. Another vigilante has not been accounted for. His name has not been, brought forward, and his condition as well. So the eyewitness reported this. So this is what is happening.
Have met with some of the bandits. We have met with some of their high commanders. One or two who have repented. They have sat down with us, not once, not twice. They told us that one of the northern governors is the commander of Boko Haram in Nigeria. Boko Haram and the bandits are one and the same thing.
We must be truthful to ourselves. The conspiracy of silence is too much. If we are not truthful to ourselves, we'll be consumed by our blindness and by our evil desire to keep quiet amidst the evil happening around us. In the midst of coalition that is going on, people are having meetings here and there, politicians are not resting. Instead of them to plan ahead of the future, they are talking about 2027. I want people that politicians don't have your interest. There is nothing they will do for you. These politicians are after the next election. This is 2025. Look at the heat of 2027 going all over the internet. This is 2025. The heat of 2027 is all over the place. So after 2027, they will still spend 2 years to talk who win and who did not win. And after that, before you know, you're already 2028 and the next election is already, heating up again. Who do this to us? Now, wait a minute. Only today, terrorists launch fresh deadly attack on Kwara communities as security agents withdraw. I've talked about that before, right? Another one, exclusive, new terrorist group Mahmuda plotting to establish independent government in Kwara. I hinted that in my last video. The same day, 3 vigilantes killed, several security operatives injured as bandit ambush team in Kwara. The same day. So all these things are happening in Kwara State. People are not resting. In fact, I was talking with one person in Kwara State. He said that this is not secret. That they have been telling the security operatives that they do see these people, that the weapon they are carrying can never be used to measure the firepower with the one this military and the police are carrying. That they are warning security operatives every day. You people should step up your game, but all could not avail. The real people are dying while the politicians are playing games. These people want to establish independent government in Kwara State. I have been saying this since 5 months. Since 5 months. They want to establish independent government in Kwara State. Now, I want to bring your mind back to what happened in Oyo State, Ekiti State. It is a test running ground. Do you remember how the case is still in court, about the issue of Sharia in Yoruba land and so on and so forth? A lot of people were thinking that it was a joke until even some Yoruba people, one ex-governor with Attorney General, they, charge people to court that there is nothing that's supposed to stop Sharia in Yoruba land. I'm not saying that this Sharia issue is the reason why people are killing. So I'm not thanking those people who are going to court to make sure that Sharia will be established in Yoruba land. I am not linking them to this terrorist attack. But I'm telling you that the motives could be linked together. Not the people, but the motives could be linked together. Now, what is the mission of these Mahmuda terrorists of establishing independent government in Kwara State? Remember that Mahmuda, Boko Haram, ISWAP, there are so many like that, Nakurawa, to mention but few. All these people are under the wings of Islamic State Province of West Africa, or Islamic State West Africa Province, ISWAP. They are under them. They receive their fundings from Nigeria and from abroad. I made a video some days ago and I talked about how these people are getting their guns. All these things are no longer secret. But what pains me most is that every now and then, go to social media and see how, I'm sorry to use this word, and see how useless we are as youths in Nigeria. The only thing they are talking about is 2027. The only thing they are talking about is electoral reforms. The only thing they are talking about is INEC. How many times would they lie to you or deceive you before you learn? In 2014, 2015, the coalition going now is the same thing that happened in 2014, 2015. Ask yourself, what was the result of the coalition? What was the result? It brought disaster. I'm not Tinubu's fan. I have never supported Tinubu. And next election, people that will vote for him, I don't think they are voting for him because he performed. In 2023, I participated in the election. I did not vote for Tinubu. And I can never vote for him if I want to vote in an election next time. Just that I don't want. I don't have interest again. But what I'm trying to say is that despite I don't have anything to support demand, I don't like demand, but I will tell you the truth. Those who are forming coalition to remove him, they are not forming coalition because of your own, good. No. They are forming coalition because they have been hurt by Tinubu's camp. So they want to come in and pay back. They want to do everything to remove the man. Is there anybody who have not tested government since 2015, 2011, who is not even working in this coalition? Sariki, Matiku, to mention but few, all of them, Amechi, they all, one way or the other, they have worked in this country. What was the result? They live with people. Nigerians should think. Our youths are not thinking at all. And now, Yobe have independent government, Borno have independent government, Kwara is about to have independent government. We are not talking about Benue, Plateau. Terrorists have taken over the country. By this time, 2014, 2013, protests was going on here and there. But now everybody just mute. We are all mute. Now, the news about them establishing an independent government is not a new thing to me. But the one I'm going to stress is about the 3 vigilantes that lost their lives. These are not Nigerian security operatives. These are the people who are protecting their people. I told you in my previous video that vigilantes are the hope of the people. Without vigilante, this country will collapse. So it is the vigilante people that are making sure that we are even breathing. Now, 3 vigilantes killed, several security operatives injured as bandits ambushed team in Kwara. The people you are seeing now, may their soul rest in peace, the people you are seeing on the screen. Now, the article reads that a deadly confrontation between armed bandits and security forces in Gadaworo along Pateg Road near Gbugbo town in Edo local government area of Kwara State has left 3 vigilantes dead and several security operatives injured. The incident, which occurred on June 30th, 2025, began after bandits reportedly challenged local vigilantes to confront them near Gbugbo. So bandits challenged them, come and confront us. That was yesterday, sorry. According to eyewitness account, the vigilante responded to the provocation, accompanied by soldiers and operatives of the Department of State Service, DSS. However, the security team was forced to retreat in the face of bandits, prior firepower. You know why I'm laughing? It's not a laughable matter, okay? It is not a laughable matter. According to the eyewitness account, that the vigilante now responded to the provocation, and the soldiers and the security operatives accompanying the vigilante, they got there, the DSS and The soldiers ran away because of the superior firepower and they killed the vigilante people. I don't want to say something that will put people into trouble. I don't want to say something that will put people into trouble. So those people are just sacrificial lambs. Now, say those confirmed dead include Mohammed Ma Disuru from Kokodo village, Yanda, doctor from Ndafiage, and Ndagi Saraka from Edog village. One vigilante remains unaccounted for, while multiple soldiers and DSS personnel sustained injuries during the exchange of gunfire. The attack has heightened fear and anxiety among residents, who are calling on security agencies to step up efforts to secure the area and prevent further violence. Well, the article continues, but let me stop it here. You see the reason why I keep on stressing this issue of insecurity. In a country where vigilante will need soldiers and DSS to confront terrorists, you know the country is gone. And what happened? The soldiers and the DSS retreat when they met fire from the bandits, and the vigilantes were killed. This is, I don't know, there is no how to explain this. I mean, know how to explain this, man. It's so sad. May their soul rest in peace.